Ever find yourself constantly rushing to prepare meals amidst your busy schedule? Picture this. You're juggling a high-pressure job, a workout regimen, and a social life. But finding the time to plan, shop, and cook nutritious meals, that's a whole different ballgame. It's not just about the time, it's also about the effort and planning it takes to prepare meals from scratch. If you're nodding your head, then pre-made meals might just be the solution you need. So, what exactly are pre-made meals? I'm sure this question has crossed your mind. Let's decipher this culinary jigsaw together. Pre-made meals, also known as ready-to-eat meals, are a culinary revelation. They are meals that have been pre-cooked and packaged, ready to be consumed with minimal preparation. These meals are a lifesaver for those days when you're too busy to cook or simply want a break from the kitchen. Now there's a wide spectrum of pre-made meals available. On one end, we have frozen meals. These are typically cooked, flash frozen, and packaged, retaining their flavor and nutritional value until you're ready to heat and eat. Next up, we have refrigerated pre-made meals. These are fresh meals, cooked and chilled, not frozen. They're perfect for those who crave home-cooked flavors, but lack the time or energy to whip up a meal from scratch. And then we have shelf-stable pre-made meals. These meals are cooked and then sealed in a way that they can be stored at room temperature for extended periods. They're your go-to option when you need a meal in a pinch and there's no fridge or freezer in sight. But how are these meals prepared, you ask? Well, they are often cooked in large batches by culinary professionals, then portioned out, packaged, and stored appropriately to maintain their taste and freshness. Now that you know what pre-made meals are, let's delve into their benefits. Pre-made meals come with a plethora of benefits. Let's dive into these culinary wonders that are transforming the way we approach food. First and foremost, pre-made meals are time savers. In our fast-paced world, time is a luxury many of us can't afford. We are always on the go, juggling multiple tasks at once. With pre-made meals, hours spent on grocery shopping, meal planning, and cooking can be reduced to mere minutes. Just heat it up and voila, your meal is ready. Next, pre-made meals can significantly reduce stress. No more worrying about what to cook for dinner or pondering if you have all the ingredients. Pre-made meals eliminate these worries, providing a hassle-free dining experience every time. Moreover, pre-made meals are great for portion control. Each meal is designed with a specific calorie count, making it easier to keep track of your daily intake. This can be a game changer for those trying to maintain or lose weight. The variety of options available is another huge plus. From Italian to Indian, vegan to gluten-free, there's a pre-made meal for every palate. This variety also helps keep your diet diverse and exciting, so you're less likely to succumb to unhealthy cravings. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The misconception that pre-made meals aren't healthy. While it's true that some options can be high in sodium or preservatives, many companies today prioritize health and nutrition. They use fresh, high-quality ingredients and often provide detailed nutritional information. Lastly, pre-made meals can contribute to a well-balanced diet. They are designed by nutritionists to ensure you're getting a good mix of proteins, carbs, and fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals. Impressive, right? But the benefits of pre-made meals extend beyond just these. They're not just meals, they're a lifestyle choice that can truly revolutionize your relationship with food. So the next time you're torn between a takeout menu and a home-cooked meal, why not consider a pre-made option? Feeling tempted to try pre-made meals yet? Well, there's no time like the present to embrace a change that could revolutionize your daily routine. These meals are not just about convenience, but also about providing a balanced diet, saving time, and reducing waste. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a delicious, healthy meal waiting for you. No need to worry about grocery shopping, meal planning, or dirty dishes. But how do you choose the right pre-made meals? It's as simple as knowing your dietary preferences and needs. Whether you're vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or on a low-carb diet, there's a pre-made meal out there tailored to your taste buds. So why not give pre-made meals a shot? You might just find your new favorite dish without the hassle of cooking and